In this lesson, we are learning how to subtract integers. Once again, we have a number line with which we are quite familiar with now. And we understand that our number line is centered on 0. And as we move to the right, we're moving further in the positive direction. And as we move to the left, we're moving further in the negative direction. Well, with subtraction, what we should understand is that our operator here is the subtraction or minus sign. And it tells us that we have to move to our negative side. We have to move left as we work out the answers. Well, as we know, the first digit tells us where we're starting on our number line, in this case 5. The operator, in this case subtraction or minus, is telling us we're moving to the left, and the second digit tells us how many times. So we're starting here and we're moving 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left, and we end up on 1. We know this already, but we're using the number line just to teach this as a concept. Well, let's have a look at the second example. We're starting on 3, which is here. We're subtracting, so we're moving to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So where do we end up? We end up on 0. 3 take away 3 equals 0. What about the third example? We're starting on 2, which is here, and we're moving 5 times to the left because we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so we end up on -3. So 2 take away 5 equals -3. Well, if you understand this concept, why don't you pause the video here and have a go at the last two, and let's compare our answers when you're done. Well, I'm sure you got it. The first digit tells us where we're starting, in this case -1. We're told that we are subtracting, so we're going to move to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our answer is -5. I'm sure you got that. And the last example here, we are told to start on 3, which is here, and we're told to subtract 7. So we're jumping 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we end up here on -4. Well, if you got those right, that means you understand this concept and you're ready to do some more work on this just to consolidate your learning. And if you didn't, you might just want to review this lesson before you go on to the questions that follow.